Chỉ bay ule vain chu Meghalaya Police le Mizoram Police te andang lamna kan thai lang velok ti ang hei kan huang hianin Rukru hi silonga mizo ina lutin adu thalin ti hianin thila juk check kwala an aluminium leilon hi ala a mani ta ang main akeng chuaka February tha lai holvel thlengkha ani a CCTV hianin alo la chiang khop meya CCTV clip hi Limekra police station a police a pek ngalani a FIR po pek ani a ti chuanin etuna hian thakhat don aral nuwa po Rukru hi manchua alani lawa ti hianin amel chiang kwang taka lang chung po hianin anman lawani tun thleng hianin Mizoram Police te chu nise chuanin ni khada po anman chuak ngal mei omsia kan ti wong mei ni. As you see, there is a thief encroaching a private compound and stolen an aluminium ladder. FIR and CCTV footage was submitted to the Limekra police station, and after almost a month passed, the thief seems to move freely, and only God knows he must have stolen so many other belongings, thinking that police are not bothering a minor theft. Had this case happened in Mizoram Police doesn't even need 2 days to catch the thief. This way, Mizo people trust their own police, MRP Mizoram Police.